Stop scrolling, because right now, teenagers as young as 16 are quietly making over $3,000 every month. Just by posting AI-generated videos. And the shocking part? You could have done it too. But you didn't. The question is, why not you? Think about it. We've seen this before. In 2008, kids who played with iPhones built billion-dollar apps. In 2010, teenagers on YouTube became celebrities while adults laughed. And now, it's happening again. But bigger. AI is the iPhone moment of our generation. Except this time. It's not about who has the device. It's about who knows how to use it before everyone else. Teenagers in dorm rooms, bedrooms, even libraries, are turning free AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and text-to-video apps into cash machines. They're not building companies. They're not working 9-to-5 jobs. They're creating simple faceless videos, motivational clips, finance explainers, even entertainment reels, and uploading them to YouTube and TikTok. These videos cost $0 to make. Yet, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links are pouring in. Here's the scary part, most adults don't even know this is happening. They're stuck in old systems, while teenagers are quietly stacking $500, $1,000, sometimes $3,000 per month. Imagine logging into your bank app as a 16-year-old and seeing money that most adults don't make in 2 weeks. Now ask yourself, why aren't you doing it? Is it because you didn't know? Or because you don't believe it's possible? The formula is simple. Step 1. Use AI tools to generate content ideas and scripts. Step 2. Create short videos with AI voiceovers, stock footage, or AI-generated visuals. Step 3. Upload consistently to platforms where attention equals money. That's it. No fancy camera. No editing studio. Just strategy. And the crazy part? Teens are doing this between homework and part-time jobs. If you're busy and don't have time, I'll handle everything for you. Script, editing, thumbnails, the full video. For just $10 per video. You just upload and grow your channel. Focus on your office or studies, while I do the work. Comment if you interested.